This is Skywatch from November 26, 2014 using OpticTracker and a telescope. And I have still images I'm going to show you as it passes in front of the moon. I hadn't had the telescope eyepiece set up, so that's what that dark spot is in the center. That is the dark spot on the front of the telescope. Still not adjusted yet. Next we have OpticTracker just tracking the moon. And this is what the moon looks like through the high definition camera with its normal viewing mode of 1x optical zoom. So just standard looking through the telescope's eyepiece, recorded with a Handycam. Next we have an object coming up from the bottom. You can see it streaking across, and I'm going to try to move the telescope now, and you'll see it move around. I'm trying to get that object to go through that crosshairs right in the center. And there it went through and went back out again. And so positioning the telescope, you're trying to get the only little box that's seen in the high definition camera is that little square right there. And here's another one that goes right up through it. This is the actual high definition video of it. You see that go by real fast. Now I slow it down for you, and when it makes almost stops, that's when I take the image and save that image out. Okay, this is the one image that was saved, and now I magnified in PMB software. It's a satellite, and it's about 4 meters tall and about 2.5 meters across. Okay, this is in this OpticTracker video. I'm moving a star right to the center crosshairs, and if I have the cameras aligned correctly, it should also appear in the main high definition camera in the telescope, pretty much in the center. This is the actual high definition camera, and I'm moving that star into the center. At the same time, it was being viewed in the other screen as well. And I'm just going to do, okay, this is the still image of that star, and then I magnify it for you. Here's another object coming up through the right upper area, and it is N1 rocket booster, a satellite. Next we have another object coming down from the middle toward the left side, and I'm not sure, at some point OpticTracker may actually put a target around it, but there it is right there. Now we have another, it looks like a plane coming through, and I think OpticTracker will box this up just for a second. There it is. Now if I had been fast enough, I could have had it track that. Now we have another satellite coming up from the lower right, or lower left, I'm sorry. And that is a NOAA, NOAA satellite number 10.